recently I watched the fantastic just series of videos from Pixel. Let's search for it about writing a non-compiler. This one, yeah, this is just amazing, fascinating, incredible, marvelous series. I really like. I'm like still somewhere here, but this is totally peak content. And I got so motivated and so eager to write something myself in C++, and maybe even something concerned related to parsing as well, because this is really interesting topic, at least for me. I really like writing something in this domain. So I thought, yeah, why not to try something myself as well? I'm not gonna write my own language yet. Instead, what I try to do is I thought what can I parse that it doesn't get too complicated, because it's just for educational purposes. I just wanna try it myself. But still it'll be interesting. And I thought, there is such thing, maybe you know it, called DBML. It's basically like a language, a database markup language. It allows you to define all your tables, entities, relationships between them, just like this, in some code, and it then renders really good. What is it? No, probably not like this. I need this one, DB diagram, and it allows you even to try it without any subscription or login. It's really cool. And you see, you have those definitions here, and you have the rendered tables here, and they're rendered pretty. I've used this tool for myself for quite a while when I need to model some database, because for me it's really convenient. And I like the fact that you can just export from it into some database as well as import from it. This is really cool. It's not that advertisement. I just really use myself this tool, and it's really cool. And I thought, you know what? Maybe let's try to just parse this DBML into some representation of classes, structures, whatever, and then it could be used anyhow. And because this is written, as I remember, I looked into the sources, and this is written in JavaScript or something, or TypeScript, whatever. So it could be run in browser, obviously. So I thought, let's maybe write it in C++, because why not? And it would be just an executable, or maybe do it a library and something, and then include this library into some other project or sub project and make it executable, so it could be used as CLI tool or something. I don't know, but this is, we are getting too far ahead. And for the start, I would like to just try parse Dale, ideally parse the whole syntax, the whole grammar, so support everything that this has. So there is this full syntax docs, and there is just everything. And ideally, this my project would be able to support all of this, at least at the moment when it's written, because it might change. They probably might add something. I don't know. Yeah. So let's try to do it. Let's try to set up the project. And I guess for the really first tests, even doing this all from the console would be totally enough. If you have only one file, only one main CPP file, using some IDE is not so necessary at this point. Yeah, so let me go into my VSL. Cool, and go into dev. And let's create a new directory. Let it be DBML parser. Let's call it like that. Maybe we should add like CPP, but I'm not sure. Let it be DBML parser just. And if I remember how to set it up, so we need the CMake and CMake lists. Let's just make an empty main file. It will just return 0. Yeah, and then what I need to do is, if I remember, just create the build. Oh, sorry, make build and then change into it. But yeah, I need the CMake lists, and here I can specify project. Should be DBML. I don't know. Can I use this here? Can I use dash? We'll see. DBML parser. And then set executable or something. Add executable. Yeah, add executable remains CPP. And also I can set something with version required, but it's probably not. Let's see if it's mandatory. And also set I don't remember really. Let's check. I have some other. Oh, let's check. CMake lists. Oh, not like this. CMake lists txt example. So see, I'm not like and I'm not working C++ very often, especially when I need to set up all the project. Maybe just somewhere in lead code, but it's predefined for you. So I need to check different things. Yeah, 12 years ago. That's good. Yeah, so there is this CMake minimum required version thing I remember. But I really don't remember which version do I have, so let's just check it. Okay, where would it be? Project, then files, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. Let's then probably just remove it and see if it would work at all. And what we should do, go into build and then use CMake and oh, no source was given. I probably missed how the executable is written, right? Target executable. Ah, this is the name. Where is it? Ah, okay. Can I use just like name of project here? Project or like this at least? Is it possible? Hmm. Yeah, they just add executables. Project. How I did it? Let me check. I have another project that I've written like maybe half a year ago. I rewritten because it was originally very old, like you see 7 months ago. And I have this somewhere. So this is demo. This should be the executable. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. It's like set CMake standard. Add a project name. Okay, it's not just project, it's project name. Here we go. Project name. Now, yay! It works. Cool. Cool. And now we should be able to build it. So make build, right? Yeah. And it is in build DBML parser. Yeah, it is. You could use that. You could use dash in it. That's cool. I forgot you need to specify name of the target executable. I mean the output executable. Okay. What if we do then just build DBML parser, and what we got from it, is it 0 really? Oh, yeah, cool. Let's maybe even check then the version of C++ we have. Oh boy, I know how to create a new line like after it. O, but I don't know how to create before it, so I just do like this. And we need include stream and let's do the out C++, I believe. Let's see. Clock. What is it? Okay, doesn't matter. So build DBML parser. Ooh, okay. Well, maybe we need to set this CMake standard. Maybe we really need to do it set, and I need to check it again. Yeah, I might just copy it and prepare it in advance, but it's not. It would be too easy. So set CMake CSX standard. Let's do it 23. Why not? Can we just then we need to do it into build? Yep. And then yeah. And then yeah, so it is 2021, but I probably tested it and it already supports the expected thing. It's just the only thing I care from 23 standard. If it's from 23, I believe so. Anyways, we got it working. Let's then try to write something. And it's like I would try to do this really incrementally, step by step. So we would not try to parse like whole table from the beginning. Instead, what I try to do is to start from really simple things like stripping out comments, stripping out like different types of comments, because I believe there might be multi-line comments. Let's see. Yeah, there are something. So we have to take care of this. And besides that, to be able to just tokenize it. So recognize this is a word, this is another token, but this is like the whole string. So probably we'll start with, let's just try to find the words in the file, and we'll need some like test file for it. So let's create some test DBML file. And for now, we'll just write some write some words. And it would be a new line and then like another line, something, third line. Oh, let's even add something like this here and just add some new lines as well, beginning at the start, see how it works. So now the goal is just to parse the words and just split by some white spaces. Oh, what I missed that. Yeah, so for that one, I believe first of all we need to just read the file. It is F stream, I believe. Yeah, and I then can do stream file and give it the name. But this would be in the build directory, so we would need this one and test CPP, test DBML. And I need somehow to read it. How can I read from the file? CPP, read whole file into a string. String, red buffer. This is really how it is. Ooh. Wow. This is cool. Ah, you can use if stream even. So you don't have to specify the mode here. If stream file. Yeah, we need the string obviously. So string, let's call it like content. And we initialize with why is it trapped? Interesting. std, let me move it here. I stream buff iterator char, and we give it file, I believe, and then just the empty one. I stream buff iterator char like this, and we should get just the file, so we could even try to print it. Let's see if it works. CMake build. No. Oh no, it built, but what is it? Is it warning? Oh my god, this is what it's about. Function declaration. Okay, let's add those parentheses. Yeah, it looks like a function declaration, really. Let's try it again. Yay, now it works. Okay. Okay, so what we would get, build DBML parser, we get nothing. This is not good. Yeah, it's written here, not the first parenthesis. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I guess it's not simple and quick. Okay, maybe let's try. What might be wrong here? I just did like. Oh, maybe I need to include it. Let's see. Like, why not include stream buff? Let's make even aliases for this alias build, and we would CMake build. Oh, no. I forgot how to make aliases. Like this alias run. We CMake. Oh, no, CMake, but build DBML parser. Did we just use it right? And then run? Yeah, but we got nothing. We just get empty. Because we just get the end line. Okay. Maybe I did something wrong. String content. Iterator. Let's see. They have string maybe. Oh no! I know because we're running it from this like parent from the root. It should be like this. Yeah. No. Why? Hmm. Oh, yeah. I don't know what I changed, but it worked for some reason. Maybe I didn't build it. Yeah, I just run it and build it. Let's then create an alias. Rerun, and it would be run and build and run, so I don't forget to rebuild it. By the way, yeah, it didn't change anything. Okay, cool. At least the file is ours now. Now we might try to check it, but you know what? This is really interesting. If we have this iterator, it probably can go for it, but for now, let's just use string, whatever. So now we have our content, and we would like to have the words. So let's probably do vector. With the vector, it would be words. And now we would just go character by character and try to parse it. So if we find a white space, we just skip it. Otherwise, and I saw people sometimes might do something like buffers, but I really don't like this very much. So I would just have my size t, let's say start. So it means when we find the character, first non-white space character, we would set this start and just then go on. And when we find a white space again, we would just save the string. I just call it I content size or little length, doesn't matter. Okay, and do so if Is there a way in C++ to check if it's like, I know C++ is all num Maybe there would be like other C also, yeah. Counter C type. Oh yeah. Is space. Is there a way to check if it's like any white space? It can identify tabs, new lines, spaces, everything. This is cool. This is cool. Okay. If content I is space. Yeah. I forgot how because like this seems really trivial problem, but I really and I really like written it many times, but each time I forget how, and I might come with a different solution. Because I don't like nested loops to use here because I know it could be solved without it. It's not size, it's like not start, but really the length. This is what could be confused. Yeah, and this now makes much more sense. So if it's let's like if it's not white space, we just add it because this is the length of the last word, the word we're at. But if it's a white space, so we check if it's if like the length is not 0, then we we can save the word. For now, we just like see out it and I'm thinking like maybe at the moment use string view. I really like this concept, and I would just do and I should give it content. It's not begin content data. I believe it's not how you use it. I believe you should do content and then substring I length and set it to 0. Otherwise we do nothing because the only thing is we have to check because it's not guaranteed that it would end with a white space, so it would trigger. So we have to handle the last again. So if this is the only like downside I see for this solution. How I should do it? I believe it's like content length minus length, like this, probably. And I would really like to somehow identify like this. Oh, and we should add this for sure. But add some indication of the bounds of the words, because if it catches a white space, we wouldn't see it otherwise. So for now, let's do this. And this could be commented at the moment. Let's try it. So we run. No. Interesting. Really, really interesting. Or maybe let's, this is a bit of, oh, I forgot to add it here. So let's do even like this. So we really know the bounds, because now start and end are the same. So it catches the white space. Catches the white space. Why? Okay, so if it is a space, we check the length. If it's not 0, we say that we add this word and set length to 0. Otherwise, we just increment the length because the word goes on. Oh, yeah, I know. I need to subtract here, like I do at this point, because at this point, I is just at content length. Yay! Cool. Let's even compare it. Let me take a screen. Let's even compare it, or just get. So we have write some words, another line, third and right line. Yay! Good. Cool. Cool. This thing works as charm. What do we do next? Let's probably just save them into the vector. And I think we could really use the string views here as long as we have our string in the memory. So we just don't have like a lot of strings everywhere. Like they are on the stack, but whatever. Instead, we just have one string and just views into it. Why not? Yeah, and I have to do something. Can I like use spaces instead of top? Okay, let's try it. Let's try to configure it. What is shift width? Shift. Okay, I got it. This is cool. Okay, let's try it then. Yay! Is it the top? No. Is it the top? Oh, yeah. Okay, now it's the spaces. Can I just replace them? Oh yeah, I can do retab, right? And now what is it? Yay, those are spaces. Cool. Cool, perfect. Maybe I would want to do it like this as well to save some space. Yeah. Okay. So let's even move it into another function. Let's return a vector of string views. Let's call it parse words. And we just get string, call it s, whatever. Yep, and we'll just move. Wait, can I do like? I don't want to close it. For now, I'll just copy it, but I really want to try like E, and let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, and then just, yeah, cool. I know how to cut and paste here at least. Yeah. Yeah, we have the string view words, and we would just push back into it. Let's push back. Yep. Well, you know what? Maybe to not create it each time, you might even just create it somewhere at the beginning. It would be const string view view. We just give it the string, and now we could just do swe and some string from it. Yeah. Here also can do like this. Maybe we could just do s because it wouldn't. But it's a pointer, so yeah, it might do like this. Just use sv everywhere. Yeah. And here also we just back sv like this, and then here say that for we do this. Yeah, let's try it. No, it doesn't work. I probably forgot the return. Yeah. Oh, and I forgot to change that I don't use content. Yeah, cool. So we got words here. Okay, yeah, this is very helpful. I'll stick into it. Stick to this. Mm, cool. What we can do now? What we can do now? What we have actually to do, like at all, is to parse strings and to remove comments. Right? Right. And the other thing is, this would be parsed as one word, and this would be parsed as another word. We don't want that. So this approach that I use here is totally inapplicable in this case. Instead, we would really do something else. Probably would have a lot of nested loops. And I'm thinking of like starting to write parser really, some class. Not the parser, but token. Oh, sorry. Not a parser, but tokenizer probably. That would just read character by character and have some helpful methods. I'm thinking like, just methods like peek and consume, but also try consume and try consume like two characters because we really have cases when we have two characters at least, and those are like comments. So comments they start with two characters. By the way, this is a comment also, it doesn't require space here. This also starts with two characters. So really, the two characters is really common thing. So instead of like accepting a string there, I might just make a method which would take like two characters as two arguments and check for them. It would make sense, might be faster because it doesn't need to create a string for it. Let's see. We might have the just words, we might have strings, we might have some special characters like this, and they might be on side words and they should be treated separately. And fortunately, really, they are only one character usually, right? So we don't have some sequences of such characters, which it actually eases everything. Because what we could really do is add an extra check. Let's even try it. So for now, we check if it is a space, and we do something. If it's not, so we can do if else if std is all num for now. We add length and else it is just a character really. And I believe we cannot have dots somewhere like at the end. We could have them only in the middle. So for now, let's forget about dots. Let's treat them as separate characters as well. So it would be it's a character. So we should save it, but essentially do the same as we do here, really. Maybe we can even merge it. So it is if it's a space. You know what? Probably let's rewrite it a bit, change the order. So if is all num, then we just increment the length. Else if, or just do else if So it is a white space for a character. So the or length greater than 0, then yeah, set to it. And if it's not a space, then we also add it. String I1, right? Whoop. Now we need to delete it. 4, 8, 9. Yep. And if we still got something, you just push it as a word, because it means all of the lengths was just alphanumeric, right? Let's try it if it works. Oh my god, no return state. What I did wrong? Did I? Yeah, sorry. Primary expression. Yeah, and I forgot one extra parenthesis. Okay, yeah, and you see it parsed this exclamation mark as a separate one. Okay, cool. Cool. Now, what if we add some extra things here, like a whole lot of different characters in between? Yeah. And even like there, or not 6, but this, there, like this, what we get. All right. This is cool. So it worked like a charm. Okay.